Hello guys, and welcome to another beautiful video. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can design a YouTube channel art for your YouTube channel. Now if this is your first time of landing on this channel, I want to welcome you to this YouTube channel, to this video. Okay, I want to welcome you to my channel and I'm glad that you are here. If this is your second time, I want to welcome you again. I am very excited to have you on my YouTube channel again. So in this video, quickly I'm going to show you how you can design your YouTube channel. Okay, now if you're an expert, this video may not be for you. Okay, if you are an expert designer, an expert YouTuber, this video may not be for you. So who is this video for? This video is for beginners, okay, who are trying to grow their YouTube channel, beginners who are learning how to design. Okay, so now one thing you should take note of is you need good branding. Okay, people are going to see your YouTube channel at when they land on your YouTube, so you don't want to just take chances, you don't want to leave things to chance. Okay, you want to make sure that you use the opportunity so that you can actually convert properly. Okay, you can actually grow your YouTube channel. That's why you need a very a YouTube channel art that is top notch. Okay, so my name is Awajimam Isioto and I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you how to do simple things that can help you grow your business and at the same time help you make money online. Okay, if this is your first time of landing on this page, I want you to do me a favor by giving this video a thumbs up, sharing this video with your friends, comment if you have to. If you have questions for me, you can comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, if you haven't done so, subscribe to this video and hit the notification bell so that when I put out new videos you can be notified as soon as possible. So quickly, before I go into the video, I'm going to show you what a YouTube channel art is so that you can have a better understanding of what we are about to do. Okay, so I'll take you into my YouTube right now and show you what YouTube channel art is. Okay, so quickly I'm going to hit my YouTube here. Okay, fine, this is my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm going to click on the picture that you see on the right top corner. Okay, I'm clicking on that. Yes, so I'm going to go to your channel. That's what you're going to do that for your own channel. Okay, so I'm clicking that. All right, so this orange rectangle that you see like a banner, okay, this orange rectangle is what we call a YouTube channel art. Guys, this is what it is. Okay, this is what a YouTube channel art is. So quickly I'm going to go to the app that we are going to use to design, and we are going to be using Canva app. Okay, some of you know what Canva is, so I'm going to go straight to Canva right now and show you how to do this. Okay, so let's switch to Canva. Okay, all right, this is my Canva dashboard. Okay, this is my Canva dashboard. So you're going to go to the search area and type YouTube channel art. Okay, YouTube channel art. Okay, let's search for that. So one of the beautiful things about Canva is that Canva gives you ready-made templates that you can just use. Okay, if you don't want to use you don't want to use Canva's ready-made templates, you can design from scratch. Okay, now you have over 700 templates, okay, that you can use. For me, I want to use a plain background. Okay, that's why I'm going to design from scratch. Okay, now you have, these are different templates. You can see, guys, these are different templates that you can use. Okay, so for me, like I said, I want to design from scratch. Okay, I want to design from scratch, so I'm going to pick this plus sign here. Let's wait for it while it loads. Okay, now this is what we see when we want to design from scratch. Okay, so this is a plain white background. So what I'm going to do right now is to just turn that white into a black. Okay, so I'm going to click on it and go to color below here and click on the color. Okay, once I click on the color, I'm going to click on this plus sign down on the right side or the left side. Then I'm going to move this circle, small circle. I'm going to move it. You can see as I'm moving it, it's changing. You can see. All right, so I'm going to move it down to the lowest point on the right. Okay, now you can see that our design has changed to black. Our background has changed to black. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is to add my text. Okay, so I'm going to hit, to add text, you're going to hit the plus on the left side below. Okay, that plus, I'm going to hit it. So I'll scroll like this and pick the text. Okay, now I'll look for a font that fits what I want. So I like this one I'm seeing that says 1286. I'm going to click on that. Alright, fine, we have our design. So now the next thing for me to do is just to edit. Okay, so I'm going to edit that and say I talk about arts, music, and business. Good, that's what I want to use on my. Now you can put whatever you want, whatever you talk about. You can put it on your cover art. Okay, so I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. Okay, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Okay, good. Now the next thing I'm going to do now is to change this stuff here. November 9, 2019. I'm going to delete it. Okay, and work on this one I have below. I'm going to write my name here, our G Ma'am Isioto, and I'm going to increase it one a little bit. Font size. Is it big, and I'm going to shift this one. Yes. Okay, so you can see our cover art is already almost set. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on this. I'm bolding it. I want to bolden that. So I'm bolding it. Okay. Yes. Let me stretch it. Okay, good. Now, one beautiful thing about what we are doing is I want my branding to be the same as what I have across all my social media accounts. Okay, across all my social media accounts, so that when you land on my Twitter account, you land on my Facebook account, you're seeing the same thing. It makes people to trust you more. It makes people to believe in your brand. Okay, it gives people a kind of understanding that you know what you're doing. Okay, so one more thing I'm going to add is my contacts. Okay, so that people can, I don't just want them to see what I do, but I want to add a contact. So if they like what they see on my YouTube channel, if they watch my video and they want to contact me directly, okay, I'm going to add my number. You can decide to put any kind of contact you want, but for me, I want to have them in my WhatsApp as leads. Okay, so I can nurture them and, at the end of the day, do business. Okay, so that's why I want them in my WhatsApp. Okay, so I'm going to add my WhatsApp number right now. Okay, so I'm duplicating this, right? Select all and cut. In this part, I'm going to add contacts. So let's add 070-378-58814. Okay, Okay, so this is our contact. Okay, let me centralize it. Good, fantastic. So this is our, you can see when we scroll it, is there. Okay, so once people land on our page, this is what our YouTube channel, this is what they are going to see. So let me enlarge this, let me zoom it up. Now take it back, take it back. Now gonna make sure I edit this one a little bit. Okay, for this font. Okay, just take this. Good. Yes, so we are done with our YouTube channel art. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to download. Okay, so to download, you're going to go to this arrow that points downward. So I'm clicking that right now to download. So once you finish downloading, you're going to find that image in your gallery, in your download folder. Okay, so our work is downloading right now. So let's wait for it. Okay, our work has been downloaded. Okay, so now the next thing we'll do, if you want to add that directly to your YouTube channel, so we're going to go to YouTube right now so that we can change it, we can upload it into our channel art, so it becomes our new channel art. Okay, so follow me guys, let's go to YouTube. Now if you're getting value from this video, please subscribe to this video. Okay, share this video, let your friends know that we are doing something worthwhile. Okay, so I'll click on my YouTube. Alright, we're back to our YouTube channel. So what we are going to do right now to upload that YouTube channel art is to click on this icon that looks like a pencil. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. So once I click on that, it's going to ask me to select, to choose from my computer, from my smartphone. Okay, so now this is our YouTube channel art. Is giving us options, so I'm going to click on this square and circle. I'm going to click on that. It gives us an option to choose from photos or to take a picture. So for me, I'm going to choose right from my images I have. You can see my recent designs. I'm going to pick this one. Okay, so you can see that our design is very big. Yeah, so now guys, this is what it will look like when you finish designing. Okay, so it's giving you option, showing you how it will look like on TV, on desktop, and on other devices. Okay, it says your channel banner will look different across devices. The widest crop area will be used on desktop and TV. Okay, so that's not my business. Okay, now this is how you can upload it. So once you are satisfied with what you're seeing, you just go to the top right and click save, and once you click save, it's going to display as what you saw or what you see on the rectangular orange cover art. Okay, so guys, this is how to create a YouTube channel art. Guys, if you love this video, if you got value from this video, please subscribe to this video. Let me know that you're following. Let me know that you love this video. Okay, share this video with your friends. If you have questions for me, you can put it in the comment section, and I'm going to respond to you as soon as I see your message. Okay, now thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking around to the end of this video. I look forward to seeing you in another video. Take care.